Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a LuvMe Hair wig tutorial, and I'm going to be reviewing this Breathable Kinky Curly Glueless 5x5 closure wig that I just got in. So let's go ahead and unbox this, see what we've got inside. Of course, it comes with the wig, but it also comes with some extra goodies. So let's see. We've got a silicone wig grip, so this will help keep your wig secure to your head. We've also got some wig caps, and these are in a darker color, which is great for my brown skin. This is new. Let's see what's in this box. All right, we've got a purple wig brush. I can definitely use that. All right, now that we've looked at all the goodies, let's take a look and see what this wig is looking like. Okay, you can see this here. Now this wig cap is it's a breathable wig cap, which is something new that I know that they're doing. And because it is breathable, it is going to be good for our scalp. You can get in there, as you can see, my fingers are through there. You can get in there and be able to scratch your own scalp while you're wearing this unit. So scratch it at any time. So breathable, once again, it is glueless and very airy. So you can get that air through there and your head won't be all sweaty, especially in these summer months. So it is a 5x5 closure unit, so you can see there. I don't normally wear closures, but I did want to try this one out. It also comes with an adjustable elastic band inside, so you can fit it to your specific head size. A comb in the back and then 2 combs on the side. So it should give you a good secure fit. All right, look at those curls. Nice, very nice. It's very soft and it looks very full, which I like. See that? Very well constructed. So go ahead and get this on my head. This fits really well. Let me adjust it. Oh, a little more there. Okay, so first impression with just putting it on, I like it. I like the length. I like the curls. Get in close so you can see those curls and how good they look without even putting any product on them. Very realistic parting there. So, okay, this is cute. All right, let's look at the back. Side. Let's check out the other side. Right, now I'm gonna cut off this lace. Let's see. So I want to start in the middle because I don't want to cut off too much. All right, let's see there. Oh yes, I will need to color the lace so that it matches my skin tone. But this is very pretty. I cut off a little bit more of the lace there, and oh, that hairline looks so good. Like, I am loving that. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so I got some foundation, so I can tint the lace a little bit. That way it more closely matches my skin tone, because we want this to look melted and seamless. But I don't even have this glued down yet, and look how good that looks. Oh, let's check the sides. Okay, since it's pretty full, nobody will see over there on the sides. But yes, cute. Let's give her some volume. I love big hair. Okay, so we can wear this glueless. So I'll show you guys. Look how good that looks. Oh my gosh. Yes. Like the middle part. Oh, let me see. If I wanted to do a side, could I get away with a side part? Let's try that side. Yes. That works. Blend all of that over here. Use some products and define the curls, but yeah. I like this. I like this a lot. Since this is a 5x5, I should have parting over here, all the way over here. Yep. Definitely cute. Once again, it is so soft. And it's definitely giving me Black Girl Natural Hair vibes. This is really cute. And so full. And let's see, can I scratch my scalp? Oh yes, I can get in there and scratch my scalp. Oh, I love that. Oh, I might have to get some more wigs in the airy cap, because I'll just be able to get in there. You know what I'm talking about. You know when you need to scratch and you got your wig on and you cannot get to your actual scalp. But yes, I can get all up in there. Let's see. And I absolutely love that this is glueless, because this would be a great one to just throw on and go if you're in a rush, but you can still look cute, right? Yes. I don't even want to put no product on here, but I do want to see what the curls look like with some products. So I've got some Kinky Next Day Curl Revitalizers. And with this type of wig, because of the volume, I don't even mind doing the closure. Normally I love a 13x4 frontal, but I like the closure on this unit. So get all that product in there good. Let me see, I've got my brush here. Let's try that. Define those a little more. Oh, see how soft that is? No tangles, it's just gliding through. Look at those juicy curls. Oh, that is pretty. Oh, okay, let's get back here. You know, I don't think I'm giving y'all the full effect with this black shirt on. I'm gonna go put on a lighter shirt just so you can get that full effect of this wig. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So now I've got on a lighter colored shirt so you guys can really see the length and what these curls are looking like. So remember, this side has no product on it. And then here's what it's looking like when I've added some product on it and kind of brushed it out a little bit. Very nice. It has really good shape. I don't need to do anything else to this wig. If you wanted to just take it out of the box and put it on, then these are the curls that you'll have. But if you want to add in some product, then this is kind of what you have while it's still wet. I'll definitely come back and show you what it looks like once it's dry. I'll go ahead and do this side. Oh, and that breathable cap just feels great on my head. And it's like the perfect fit. I haven't had to adjust anything. Let me show you the sides. Look at that. And look at that. So once again, now that I've added in some product, here's the side. Look at that. Look how that movement is. This is great. Okay. And here is the next. Look at those girls. I think LuvMe did good with this one. I know plenty of people who would love to rock this one because it just looks so natural and so good. I can't stop touching it. Yes, let's go. Let me get you all up close in there so you can see how great that looks. With having done nothing, I didn't melt any lace. I didn't do anything. Put it on. Add a little product and add a little foundation to help it more easily blend into my skin. The part is great. I love it. I'll be back after it dries so I can show you what it looks like with the final product. Okay, I'm back. And now that the product has dried, you can clearly see what these curls look like. I think they look absolutely gorgeous, and I am loving this unit. I'm loving the overall look, and I'm so happy that I got this unit, and definitely going to be a unit that I rock on multiple occasions throughout this summer. So I would definitely recommend this unit. You need to go to LuvMe.com and check out this unit. Yeah. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Thanks so much for watching.